What's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today, I'm on a new roof, and they still have a few things that they need to finish up here, including this right here. What I want to show you is a plumbing vent stack, and you can see this white piece of PVC coming out through this rubber boot here. Now that white PVC needs to be painted in order to help keep it from breaking down due to UV light over time and creating an issue. Now, that's not really what I want to talk to you about today. What I want to talk to you about is the boot at which goes around this piece of PVC. You can see that it fits tightly around this PVC pipe, and it is shaped to slope water away from the pipe itself. Now, I'm going to take you over on the other side of the roof and show you a little bit of a different situation. Okay, so I'm at another vent stack here, and what I want to show you is how this boot does something a little bit different. It is buckled and caving inward. This is going to create an area where water can collect here, and is going to wear out this seal significantly faster than the rest of them. It may not even be making a good seal buckled in like that as it is. This is a good catch, as this will surely be a water leak. These are always hot spots for water leaks. So at some point, this will probably create enough damage to that rubber seal that water will start to get in the structure. But not today, because we caught it, and we're going to bring it up to the builder so they can come out here and get this corrected. Okay guys, Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. I'm going to get off this roof, go and finish inspecting this property, and give me a call so I can inspect your next house. Bye now. Hey you guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.